Hi friends, thanks for joining. I'm so happy you joined because I am running solo today. Kat is off, enjoying some time off and just enjoying the summer. So speaking of summer, we're gonna change it up a bit and we're looking for delicious recipes that are 30 minutes or less because we don't want to spend a single second in the kitchen. And I've got something really good for you today. I am making Korean street toast. So it's a popular street food in Korea and it's easy to make and it's supposed to be really good. And what I love about this is that there's a sprinkling of vegetables in it. So let's start cooking. As with any easy recipe, we're gonna put all the ingredients in one bowl and mix it up. So we've got here some carrots, cabbage, and some white onion, green onion, why not? A couple of eggs. That's gonna be like the glue that holds it together. And some salt and pepper. So we're essentially making like a veggie patty, if you will, which is really common in Korean dishes. So we're gonna stir that up really good so all the flavors meld together. All right, so I'm gonna just put some butter on the pan. Pour this all in. And what you want to do is try to make a square. I know the eggs run and they get away from you, but do your best to try to make it in a square. It'll just help with fitting it into the sandwich later. All right, as you see, mine is not a square, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna fit it in the sandwich no matter what. All right, this is where some cooking skills come into play. Can I flip this in one piece? Oh yeah, squarish, square enough. All right, now I'm gonna get the toast ready. So I got bread specifically for this recipe and I did get one that was extra thick because I didn't want it to like get soggy or break. And I think there is such a thing as too thick, but oh well. And now we're gonna toast our bread in the same pan. We're gonna butter it. Ooh, look at that, nice and golden brown. That's how you want it to be. One interesting step is to add sugar to the toast. So we're going for taste here, people, not healthiness. So we are gonna not be afraid and generously apply sugar to each sandwich. Add a slice of cheese. Look at my big old square compared to my little bread. All right, we're gonna make it fit. I'm gonna also add some ham. Now, nice and warm, I'm gonna put 2 slices on each. Yummy, yummy. Oh my goodness. Okay, one last final step. So we're gonna add some mayo and some ketchup. Look at that. How pretty is that sandwich? Now for the important part of the taste test. If I do say so myself, I picked a good recipe to test today. Kat, wherever you are, I am sorry, but you are missing out, girl. This is good. The saltiness, but the sweet and the sugar is good too. I wouldn't skimp on the sugar. It's like that extra like, there's something in there that's like makes it really good. I think it's the sugar. I taste the cheese and it just all comes together with this buttery, crunchy toast. So good, so easy as always, but yet another successful recipe. 30 minutes and less. You can have it for breakfast or lunch. Count it as your vegetable intake. So you can put whatever you want in it, whatever you like. Just make sure you get your vegetables. This is one way to do it. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that bell if you don't want to miss our next video. So see you next time. Bye.